Welcome to Ringlish Zone. Today, we've organized 30 simple yet powerful sentences you need for real-life conversations, from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. Listen carefully, repeat with me, and let's boost your speaking confidence today. Ready? 1. I overslept. I overslept. I overslept. 2. I need to shower quickly. I need to shower quickly. I need to shower quickly. 3. I'm making a cup of tea or coffee. I'm making a cup of tea or coffee. I'm making a cup of tea or coffee. 4. What are you up to today? What are you up to today? What are you up to today? 5. I'm heading out now. I'm heading out now. I'm heading out now. 6. See you later. See you later. See you later. 7. Let's grab a quick bite. Let's grab a quick bite. Let's grab a quick bite. 8. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. 9. Can you send me the details? Can you send me the details? Can you send me the details? 10. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. 11. I was not expecting this from you. I was not expecting this from you. I was not expecting this from you. 12. I'm running behind schedule. I'm running behind schedule. I'm running behind schedule. 13. How did your day go? How did your day go? How did your day go? 14. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? 15. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. 16. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like watching a movie. 17. Please take a side. Please take a side. Please take a side. 18. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do this. 19. I'm going to wash up now. I'm going to wash up now. I'm going to wash up now. 20. Time to hit the sack. Time to hit the sack. Time to hit the sack. 21. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? 22. I'll read for a bit. I'll read for a bit. I'll read for a bit. 23. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. 24. See you bright and early. See you bright and early. See you bright and early. 25. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. 26. Let's put our feet up. Let's put our feet up. Let's put our feet up. 27. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. 28. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. 29. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. 30. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Thanks for watching.